All right, here we go. Classic Sidecar cocktail. This is classic. Say you're out with your friends, everybody's ordering dark liquor. You're not really a dark liquor person. You like a cocktail. Well, this is a cocktail for you. It's easy. It's made with cognac. Choose your cognac. We're going to use Hennessy today, but you could use Uncle Nearest. You could use Chez by Le Portier, Shannon Sharp's cognac. You can use whatever brand you want. We're going to go in with 2 ounces of cognac right into our shaker. We're going to go in with 1 ounce of Cointreau, which is an orange liqueur. We're going to go in with 1 ounce of simple syrup as well. If you like it more sweet, then get it more sweet, or pour yourself a little extra sweetener. So 1 ounce of the sweetener. Then we want maybe a 1/2 ounce to 3/4 ounce of lemon or lime juice, either one. And then we're going to add ice and shake. It's just that simple, easy, quick cocktail. Now you can garnish with, I did an orange wheel here, but you could use a sprig of thyme, you could use a little lemon, a little lime. It's all up to you. If you like it more sweet and more flavor, maybe you want a little bit of that orange, and just put it all right in there. You also notice that I already had my ice in there. That's because I wanted it to melt a little bit. Cognac is strong, so if you're not used to it, put the ice in your glass first so you can get a little bit of that mellowness, and that's a sidecar cocktail.